Hello, and welcome to my video. To anybody who hasn't seen my videos before, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you come back. To anybody who is subscribed to my channel or frequently checks my channel, I know what you're thinking right now. You're probably thinking, where have you been? What's going on? And I'll be asking the same question myself if I was subscribed to a channel which made videos very frequently and then suddenly just didn't make any. So, I'm going to answer that now. Reason number one is one of technical failure. Unfortunately, my desktop just went kaput. I mean, we're not talking about like software going wrong or just something breaking really. The whole thing just went bam. It was too expensive to repair the part. Too expensive. So now I'm actually filming from a laptop's webcam, as I have no access to a FireWire port. Reason number two. I've had a lot of work. I'm very happy committed to getting my college work done. Videos haven't been, well, they've been on my mind, but I haven't been able to do them. And the third and final reason, I've been making content. So I could just vlog about anything. I think last year I got to a point when I was just vlogging about anything, but that just really isn't my style. I want to talk about something relevant and something that I can actually talk about without just, talking absolute crap. Now, I've had a new program in the works for quite a while. It was built purposely for the universities. I wanted to demonstrate my skills as a programmer. I felt that it would give us kind of like a technical edge, which it actually did. I got a good offer, so yeah. Anyway, I wanted to make a version of it. It took about 3 weeks to make, for the university version, but I had to rush certain aspects of it because I wanted to get a finished article into the university. But what I did was I stepped back a bit and I rewrote some of the code and I came up with some new ideas. The two main things that changed in the game are the AI, much harder. I got a recommendation from a university tutor saying that the game should be harder. And one is graphics. Although I didn't go the whole hog and get the graphics all animated and all that, but I did actually redraw my graphics because they were very, very, very simplistic. Very. The game is called Alien Invasion. It is an arcade game. It consists of enemies which are aliens, which fire bombs at you, and there's your character which fires bullets at the aliens. Basically, the objective of the game is to fight each other and get higher score. There's about 5 levels in the game. After that, it just keeps going and going. But trust me, the 5th level is very, very, very hard to reach without a few goals. So don't think it's just a walk in the park. So to reiterate, I've made a small game. It will be available on my site at programmerinprogress.com. I'm going to show you a short video now to demonstrate the game itself. And I'll let you decide whether or not you would like to try it. So, this is Alien Invasion. This is the title screen. Press enter to continue into the game. And there's also a full screen option which I won't use in the demo, but it is fully functional. So let's proceed. So the objective of the game is to avoid the bombs which the aliens drop and to fire bullets at the aliens. In the top left corner you'll see there is the quantity of lives. I've just been killed. In the top right corner there's a score which increments by 10 points every time an enemy is defeated. You are able to shoot the bombs on the off chance. It's a lot harder than shooting the enemies themselves, so it's not recommended all the time. It's a good defensive measure, but you might want to mix your offensive and defensive style together. The game basically goes on for 5 levels of different content. Progressively more characters are added to the level. This can be controlled by A and D for left and right, or the arrow keys, and space and return are used to fire the ammo. As you progress, like I said, more enemies come along the screen and the game gets harder. I can see it's getting very difficult now and I've just lost. So, this is the high score screen. As you can see, the score is 230. I'm sure you can all do much better than that. So, press enter to quit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Now, I've got just a small favour to ask. I'm only one man. I can only play the game so many times until I go utterly insane. I would really like to know how far people can push this game. I want to know your high scores, which will be displayed at the end of the game when you've reached the end of the game, and also be in the top right corner. Yes, the top right corner of the screen at any time in the game. Now, I'd like to know what people's high scores are, and also I know what people's experiences of the game are, and any kind of faults they may find with the game. Basically, I'm just doing a bit of user testing really. If you could leave all of that information in the comment box, I think it would actually be absolute fun if we saw some high scores on the bottom of the screen down there, right? Because I've only managed to get to about 2,000, and I think that's just the tip of the iceberg. You get to level 5, I think maybe that's again the last level, but it keeps going and going. And I'd just like to know if anybody can get over 2,000 points, because I can't. Alien Invasion, of course, is not the only application that I've been working on. In fact, Alien Invasion was almost finished a long time ago. I just decided on the weekend to finish off. The main project I'm working on now is a set of libraries, which should make my life a lot easier when I go to make more games. So you see, Alien Invasion was custom written. The code isn't very reusable. It was really just I hacked it together, because I had a very limited amount of time. Didn't have enough time to write a library then. But now I'm writing some simple libraries which should ease my suffering. A programmer's work is never done. So, anyway, these libraries will allow me to draw things to the screen using a renderer, which I've already basically completed. I made a text object which allows me to customize the font and colour and show the font by passing it through the renderer. The font frees itself as well, so there's no memory leaks there. The one other big thing we're working on is a dynamic map. Basically, you have as many layers as you like, or you sort of choose. Maybe there might be some sort of restriction in the future, but I guess it's only limited by the amount of memory your computer has. But it's going to be a dynamic map. Tiles, you can have as many tiles as you want, or as few tiles as you want. Different layers, all that kind of stuff. I hope to implement that, maybe make some sort of a map editor, maybe update the block editor. When I say update, I just mean just totally rewrite the thing and just call it block editor. But the point is, I've got a lot of things in the works, and I'm going to show you what I've got at the minute and try and explain it as best as I can. Okay, so this is my test application for my new set of libraries. At the minute, I'm just testing the dynamic map system and the font formatting system. And as you can see, I've had a bit of a joke there. Hello, my name is Bob, not trying to intentionally infringe Google, because who'd want to infringe Google? Right, so what I've done here is I've made a few functions which set the font size, font type and font color of the text on the screen. And then what I do is I've passed the data that's generated from these functions into the renderer, which then shows them on the screen. Things can grow and shrink at runtime in the program, which wouldn't be possible. So it means I can make maps of any size with any amount of layers I want. You can see that the number of aliens in the corner there is increasing, dynamically allocating more and more objects. So now the map is bigger than it was before. If I want to allocate more layers, I just press return and more layers are allocated. So that is basically the extent of what I've been working on for the past few weeks. I'd just like to close by saying, wow, I've got like 65 subscribers, or 2 to the 6 plus 1 if you want to be all geeky like me. 65, I think I might have actually doubled the amount of subscribers I had since my last video, which is absolutely ridiculous. I might take that as maybe an insult that maybe people subscribe to us if I don't make any videos. Final words, thank you for watching this video. It's been an absolute thrill to make it. I've really missed making videos. Again, I haven't had the time. I haven't made the time. I've got to make the time. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.